the key of G flat, melodic line, D flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. You go to G flat major triad. Your left hand does slide, G flat, D flat, B flat. F, A flat, D flat, E flat, A flat, E flat, G flat, B, D flat, G flat, G flat, D flat, G flat, grace from A flat to B flat while you hold the G flat. So A flat, E, G flat, B, E, A flat, B flat, G flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, B, F sharp, B, G flat, E flat, G flat, B, and you just play a B at 9 with the remaining notes. So then you hold E flats and then B flat, E, A flat, D flat, A flat, D, G flat, B, G flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, but the A flat will go to B flat. So okay, so after your left hand will do A flat, G flat, E. You play the 13 sus 4 on the G flat, so G flat, E, A flat, B, E flat, G flat, then E, B flat, E flat, A flat, E, A flat, D, G flat, B flat, B major with the yard 9 as you complete the remaining notes. So okay. So okay, so reharmonization chords. I'm just going to use this structure of chord to flow with the melody. So we have F, B, E flat, A flat, D flat, E flat, A, D flat, G flat, B, D, A flat, C, F, B flat, 2-5 on E flat. So you have the F minor 11, then tritone sub for B flat. So we have E, B, A flat, D, G flat, B flat, then E flat minor 11. Okay, so all right. Okay, so after that, So after this, the E minor 11, you do E flat minor 7, D diminished 7, back to E flat minor 7, and F diminished 7. So you hit B flat, you do G flat, B flat, A flat, and you chord with your right hand the A flat major triad. So you have C, E flat, A flat on the right hand. You hit the bass A flat on your left, and then the A flat here on the left goes to G flat, and then you do this. So the E flat here on the right goes to F, sorry, goes to F. So that's a change. So so that F goes to E, okay. Then A flat. So A flat, and you do your left hand D flat, E flat, G flat, okay. And when you hit the G flat on your left, your right hand will do D flat, E flat. So that's grace, and then G flat goes to F, and the E flat goes to D flat. So or you could do so many stuffs you can do, grace and slows. Okay. Okay, so F sharp, F sharp. I played too much, but that's to show you why if you develop your inner ear, you will have countless melodic lines that you can spot out of creativity. So most importantly, develop your inner ear, and that is what most of you ignore. You do that by learning songs, you do that by scoring songs and scoring other people's play. That's how you develop your inner ear. Helps you to gain experience. That's just an add-on. You may not value it, but to tell you the truth, that is invaluable. Anyways, E, D flat, E flat, B, B, A flat, and then D flat, B flat. So that's it.